Google Drive offers several different ways to upload files and folders so that they're living in the cloud rather than on your device. This is, of course, important in terms of getting organized, but also we want to clean up those files that are living on your device so that your computer is going to run a little bit faster and just be a little bit happier. In Drive, we can go to New, File Upload, or Folder Upload. When we choose one of these options, you'll see all your files and folders available. You're most likely going to be choosing from your downloads, your desktop, or your documents. So we can select one or multiple files to open and add to our Google Drive. You'll notice I did that with my subfolder open, so they go right into that folder that I'd like to store them in. But of course, you can always drag and drop them into another folder or right-click and choose Move To. Another very simple way to add files and folders to your drive is to simply drag and drop. On my desktop here, I have some files and some folders that I can drag and drop into my drive in order to have them backed up on the cloud. You'll also notice I have stacks. Your MacBook device uses this in order to help you stay organized on your desktop. So for example, if I take a screenshot, my device is automatically going to store that here in my screenshots stack. I'll show you what this looks like when it's off. I'm going to right click on my desktop. I'm going to uncheck Use Stacks, and you'll notice my screenshots are going to kind of go everywhere. Instead of manually creating a folder and dropping all of those in individually, on my desktop, I can click Use Stacks, and it's going to organize them for me. So I have screenshots, I have PDF documents, and I have images. What's also cool about these stacks is I can drag and drop that whole stack into my drive and back it up that way. Once I do that, I can delete that from my desktop so that it's not living on my device anymore. You've probably noticed you have a stack living in your dock as well, and these are your downloads. I can also open up these downloads and drop them into Drive this way. Another way to back up files into Drive is to use Google Backup and Sync. This application allows you to back up and sync all of your files with your MacBook and your Drive. This is handy because all those files that you're going to download will automatically be stored for you in your Drive, and you won't have to drag and drop or upload anything. This application allows you to customize what you want to sync to Google Drive from Google Drive and lots of other settings. To download, you can go to google.com/drive/download. Or Sunnyside Teachers, you can download Google Backup and Sync using self-service. When you open up that application, you'll notice Backup and Sync is an option. Go ahead and install it from here and simply follow the steps that pop up. So those are a few options, different ways to get files and folders into your drive so that they can live there and we can organize them and hopefully be set up well for the year to come.